Okay, gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Look who's here back again. We have Chef Lloyd in the house. Woohoo! Yeah. Today we're going to make something very exciting. This is another Jamaican old school. We're taking it to Jamaica back again. So right now, today we'll be making some plantain tart. And as you see, Chef Lloyd is the one who's going to be in control. Here we have 5 plantains all cut up and boiled for 35 to 40 minutes. And this is the water that left back from the boiling. So guys, it's still warm, and now we're gonna put it in the mixer, and you use your whisk, and we're gonna put it on low speed for like 10 minutes. All right.
Okay. First of all, good morning to all of you guys. We're gonna make pie crust and for the gizzard crust too. The pie crust is for the plantain tart, and the gizzard crust is for the gizzard with the coconut filling. First, 5 pounds of flour, 12 ounces of sugar, 1 pound 8 ounces of butter, 6 ounces of shortening, 1 tablespoon of salt, three eggs. Step 1. So we're gonna combine the flour, the butter, the sugar, and the salt together. Sixteen ounces of ice water. So you gradually put it together. You don't want to knead it, okay? You just want to just rub it gentle. That's it, could get that real flaky. We're gonna combine it together now. After this, we're just gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until we get ready to roll it.
So guys, now we're rolling the dough for the plantain tart. Okay guys, we're getting ready to square the dough for the plantain tart. Guys, we're now doing it 6.5 inches square.
Some milk.
So now we're going to use some milk.
Yeah.
To soften the dough a little bit.
That's a good get to seal.
And when you do this, it helps you to seal it tightly. So if you notice, we're just putting it on the edges. So this is a porridge spoon or a soup spoonful.
So we make sure we drop it at the sides and the way we're gonna fold the dough.
So guys, if you notice, he drops the inside part closer, the filter closer to the side where he's going to seal the dough. So it's closer to this edge.
So we're gonna fold it in a diamond shape. We gotta ensure it's sealed well good. That's so we don't have any leakage when it's baking, okay?
This is a man of perfection. Do you notice that, guys?
Alright, so we just use the scissors. Brush it with some milk. If you don't have milk, you could always use egg wash.
And now we're gonna use some clear sugar.
Give it a crystal crunch.
Turn on the bottom sugar.
So we're taking you all the way back to Jamaica, okay?
Hi everyone, here is our finished product. This is our plantain tart done by Chef Lloyd.
Straight out of Jamaica.
You see why we love when fresh Lloyd come to visit. When Lloyd come to visit, Lloyd do good. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Guys, enjoy. And thank you for watching today. Bye-bye.